Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Explore on Cycle once again. This is Sonal Agarwal and you are watching Turkey series. This is part 2. If you have not watched the part 1, then you can click on the link given on the top. After spending 3 days in Istanbul, we flew to Cappadocia early morning on the 4th day. We reached Cappadocia at 10:30 am and checked in the Diva Cave Hotel. After reaching, the first thing we did was book a balloon ride, which is the most stunning experience in Cappadocia since it was not supposed to be missed.
Because we did not have a proper breakfast, we had early lunch at Namaste India.
For evening dinner, we booked a table at Satan Anatolian restaurant. This restaurant gives the best sunset view. Sunsets and sunrises are not to be missed when you are in Cappadocia. Finally, the moment has come for which we have been waiting so long, balloon ride. They picked us up at 4 am from our hotel and gave goodies or snacks too much before the takeoff. After reaching the launching point, we were given a safety briefing by the on-ground expert pilot. As soon as it was lit up, we hopped in the basket with the other guests and our pilot and began our amazing tour around the rocky valleys and legendary landscapes. We witnessed a mesmerizing light as the several balloons were lighted up by the pilot at the same time. We watched the spectacular sunrise view and felt refreshed as we soaked in the fresh morning air. Oh, we also saw the two balloons kissing each other. It's a 60 minutes ride. One can enjoy the aerial view of Cappadocia's eroded fairy chimney rock formations, rose valleys, Gorame valleys, Love Valley and caves and so on. After completion of flight and successful landing, we celebrated the moment with champagne. Don't worry, it was non-alcoholic. We were also given certificate of flight attendance. We came back to hotel at 7:30 am and delicious breakfast buffet was waiting for us. Cappadocia is divided into 4 zones: red, orange, green and blue zone. Most of the city attractions are in red and green zone. Accordingly, you can choose your tour package. We chose mixed tour where we cover red zone and underground city in green zone. Our tour guide and bus picked us up from our hotel and briefed about the trip. We were told the history of Cappadocia and how it emerged as a tourist attraction. The first stop was Uchisar Castle. The castle has always been the main point of defense for the Cappadocia region. Because we were given only 10 minutes to visit the place, we didn't get a chance to go inside the castle. Next, we visited Fairy Chimneys, Imagination Valley, where we spent 1.5 hours. The area is fascinated World Heritage Site. It is made up of unusual rock formations that once sheltered Christians and monks. They were formed by volcanic eruptions million years ago.
Third stop was Zelve Valley. It is now known as the Zelve Open Air Museum, and it is among the earliest settled and last abandoned monastic valleys in Cappadocia.
I'm not even pushing myself. I'm just moving the stone left and right. So this is how easy we actually curve the cave. It is not something, I know what they've done is during the 7th century. It is impressive, of course. No technology, no nothing. But most of people think, oh, it's so difficult, how they make all these caves. It is not difficult. The enemy of the rock formation is what?
Walking down the valley, you can actually remember the scenes from Ghost Rider 2. It remained a Turkish village until 1960, and now it has become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cappadocia was very famous with handmade pottery art. Next, we visited Pottery Workshop.
Cook one more time, but before cooking they will put a glaze on top. So when you glaze means what was the glaze? It's actually a powder of the glass. So it will make the glass cannot stay in that heat, so it will melt it. So then it will become all shiny and smooth and less bread.
We watched pottery demonstration while drinking a popular Turkish aperitif. And after demonstration, you can try to make your own pottery. If you wish to buy, they have a lovely store also. Cappadocia is a home to handmade silk and wool carpets. Next, we went to see the process of silk thread production. If you wish to try to weave, you're most welcome. My mother actually did, and they were quite surprised as she quickly combined the threads to make a double knot.
मम्मी फिर सीख के घर में बनाना.
See? Wow! Are you seeing? That's why you got married.
We also got to learn how silk is spun from silk worms. However, it is a good place to buy rugs. We didn't buy since we were mainly there to see the craft work. After lunch, which was a part of tour package, we visited Zelve Valley. By that time, we were quite exhausted because of the heat. It is the most fantastic valleys. The valley is named after the interesting fairy chimney formations and is very popular with the couples for marriage proposals. And yes, how can we miss Turkish ice cream? The most unique part of the tour was underground city, which should not be missed. It was a part of a green zone. Kaymakli is the biggest and deepest underground settlement. It has 8 levels underground, but only 4 are open. It has a capacity of 5,000 people. It is very exciting to imagine how people actually lived here. This was end of our day tour. All the entry tickets to monuments, valleys, underground city, pick and drop facility, lunch was a part of the tour. The cost was 50 euros per person. And I think I forgot to mention Velour ride cost. It was 160 euros per person. The last day of Cappadocia, we explored local shops. In the evening, we booked overnight bus journey to Bodrum. The bus fare was 450 Turkish lira per person. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the button, like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.
Yeah, I don't think you want to put this on Instagram. That this is how you climb down.
Why not? है तो है, reality है वो.
After